So, our podcast is going to talk about the health concerns with GMOs when it comes to the human body and possibly the environment too, while also talking about maybe benefits for it. I guess I'll start off. I looked at an article. It was a review that impacts of like genetically modified food on human health by Shara Verma. She made like some key points talking about first like the benefits of it, such as pesticide resistance, because it's like able to genetically modify the food that certain pests aren't attracted towards that food or can't have it because it produces like this toxicity to it. Well, also, like, she brought up about how it has possible disease resistance to people, with it, like, going against viruses and fungi and certain bacteria that plant diseases naturally have in them.
Okay. I found in my article, the article I found was genetically modified microorganisms, risks and regulatory considerations for humans. And going off that, something I found was that it can help boost immune effects, but it can also cause possible autoimmune disorders within the human body and break down our immune response at the same time. So I find it interesting that we found like conflicting information on similar ideas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then I also found that it also can help increase susceptibility to pathogens, causing our body to struggle a bit more and be vulnerable to infections. So sometimes it can like benefit certain people, I guess, and struggle with others.
Yeah, that's what like I kind of got from my article too, because it also talked about like how it can change like the chances of like allergies with people, and like the cause of it may be greater because of like the GMOs affecting you, kind of like peanuts and whatnot.
I also found that.
Yeah.
I just read that it can make them worse or even cause allergic reactions.
Like what allergic reactions?
It wasn't specific.
Like
so.
if I eat peanuts, am I gonna like start like choking, like am I gonna like start dying?
Couldn't tell you that.
Or like can they fix that? That would be cool if they could fix that.
That would be pretty cool.
Like I could just
GMOs
eat
that
peanuts.
fix allergies.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
That would be pretty cool.
Sadly, it does the opposite though. It's
Yeah.
like, what the heck?
I don't know.
Try to make them better, but not.
But is that the GMO or is that the person?
I guess it's like the cause of the GMO being put into it, which can have like a different reaction by the person, because it's not like the same food anymore, because it's been genetically modified with different ingredients to be a little bit different than its previous one.
Yeah.
Take like what soybeans for an example. Like if you were allergic to soybeans like a really big like thing that's used in GMOs. Like if that was put into your food, now that like food that you weren't originally allergic to, now you are.
Yeah.
See, that's not what mine said.
Oh, really?
Mine said there's
Really?
nothing wrong with GMOs because it doesn't like the genes that they put in doesn't really attack like nutrition or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, but like, I wonder if you have like a peanut allergy, can they make something for that? Like in peanuts, that takes away that allergy, or is that the human body that's causing that allergy?
That's a good question.
From the readings I got, it's like it can spread antibiotic like resistance or like detriment your antibiotic system, but it depends on the person and how they are originally. So it could very well depend on the person. Like it could be the person who like their allergies are more affected. That's a good way to think about it, though.
Yeah, because maybe some people might be allergic to it with the GMO still in it, or some people might get like relieved of that allergy with the GMO put into it.
Or like, I guess it's not like if it has GMOs in it. I'm saying, is there like a GMO that you can put into it?
Oh.
Like take something
Mm-hmm.
from another organism that cancels out, or like even humans. Like if it's like a gene thing, you can take that gene, put it into the peanut.
Maybe, I don't think,
To
I
stop
feel like
coding
it
that
would
out.
be more of an additive rather than like a subtracted.
But if you take away that gene,
That's
that causes
fair.
if it's the peanut that causes the allergy, you take away that gene in the peanut, would that stop the allergy? Or is it in the human body? Like, is there a gene that codes for that?
Well, I feel like if you were to take it out, like genetically modify a peanut to not have the allergen that people would have, that person wouldn't have the allergy because the allergen's not there anymore. So you can't get allergic to something that doesn't have the allergy that you normally get allergic to.
But what if the allergy is genetic, though?
I guess we just
But
don't know.
it still wouldn't matter because there's no allergen in the peanut anymore.
It's true. But if the allergy, like, coded for it is in the genes of the person and not the peanut. It's like there's just, like, genes in your body that say no.
So are we talking about like a
Can't eat
person
peanuts.
removing the DNA now?
No, I'm just saying. Like, I mean, I guess you could genetically modify the human if you want to.
But
But would that be a good idea, though?
Probably not. Like, I could see that as a GMO that would not be good.
But to human health, though, that would be good.
And that is where we're gonna wrap it up.